Sophia here from My Great Challenge. Welcome back to another episode of my month of FlyLady cleaning and decluttering for February 2019. That was a mouthful. This is day 3. I'm still in zone 1. It's Sunday. Technically Sunday, we're not supposed to do anything because it's a rest day. But I'm adding a day to zone 1 because I need to do the front entrance, and that's basically what today is, the coat closet and the front entrance. If I have dogs chasing cats, I'm sorry. If I have time, I will do the front porch. We'll see. It's 17 degrees outside. It's pretty cold. So what am I going to do? Just the coat closet, a quick declutter. Remember, the mission for the month of February is to declutter 15 minutes a day. And I'm going to do the mirror and the glass panel on the door, dust the ceiling and the whole light fixture in the entryway. Maybe I'll wash the walls and the doors if I see spots, and that will be it. And then I'll move on to the front porch. So that's what I'm doing today. I'll be right back. So here's my front entrance, front door right here. And then I only have like a little mirror. It's not a big space. I have a little mirror here on the side. And then I have a coat closet here. And then you guys probably recognize the glass door. That's a kind of like a sally port. So this area here is really not that great looking. I gotta be honest. We need to replace the door. When we get the house sided, we'll change the door as well. So this duct tape there, it's to block the old mailbox, you know, slit, because wind gets in, and then I have to put a towel there too because there's a little bit of a draft, and this whole area here is not insulated. It's actually pretty cold. So what happened is, a couple of years ago we used to close the door, that's right here, when it was cold, and this little heater here was not enough to heat up the place, and it burst. And when it defrosted, it basically, we had water all over the place. So that wasn't too cool. And the guy told us, well, you need to leave the door open. So I see cobwebs. I don't know if you do too. Not a lot, but there is some cobwebs. I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna do the light fixture. I don't want to blind you. Again, I'm gonna do this glass panel here because it looks really bad, and I don't think you can see how bad it looks. And then there's this mirror here I have not done in a hot minute, so we got to do that. And let me give you a quick peek outside on the porch, and I'm going to decide right away if I need to do anything here. Nope. Hi, Electron. So we're going to leave the porch alone. It is really cold, you guys. I hope you can see me. Okay, so I'm not doing anything outside. It's too cold. That's okay. I'll get to it next time. Okay, so let me put my timer on, and let me turn this. This is much better. Let me put my timer on. I'm only gonna work 15 minutes in the closet because, you know, that's 15 minutes worth of decluttering. And then after that, I'll do this entryway here. I can see that there's a lot of actual wet cleaning that needs to be done. You know, like the baseboard and some stains or whatnot. So I think I'm gonna end up spending a little bit over 15 minutes. We'll see. Let me gather my tools first. So this closet is very difficult to film because there's no space here for me and the tripod. So there can only be one. I'm going to look at the coats. Of course, I got a kid's coat on the other side, so I'll be right back. Okay. And this is about as utilitarian as it gets, all right? The only thing that's in here is coats, scarves, hats, and shoes. This does not belong here, so here you go with the 15 minutes declutter. This is the hand attachment tool for my carpet cleaner, so that's got to go downstairs. So here's the closet. Everything is back in order. I got all the shoes back. I did the bottom part here, and then I removed the tray and I just washed it. And I think I'm going to put it in the entryway on the other side, because everybody comes here, takes off their shoes, and basically drags all of the salt and whatnot through the dining room and the kitchen. And we're better off if they were removing their shoes at the back entrance. So this is going to go to the back entrance, as much as I hate looking at it. And then in the summertime, I'll put it back right underneath it. So the closet is done. And then here, I still have the stuff I did the last time, which is Edward. See, he puts his hat back. I'm happy. William. And then there's umbrellas over there. This is my stuff. A few travel things. This is a poster that actually needs to go somewhere else. It's a Blue Angel poster. There's one more cap in here. That's Scott's. So that goes into Scott's. And these are just travel pillows. They can stay in here. So that's that. I just spent less than 8 minutes decluttering. So now I'm gonna do some cleaning. I gotta do this mirror again, because all of the mirrors in the house have been done with paper towels, you name it. And there's always tricks, but these, I'm telling you, they're awesome. They feel weird to the touch. You feel the microfiber in it. But I don't know from that camera angle if you can see the difference. But that is a clean mirror. I just wish this space was bigger, you know. And we can't really blow it out this way because let me see. Well, actually we could by about 2 feet. Food for thoughts. All right. The door. So obviously I can't blind you with the light. I'm going to dust all of this. There's one cobweb here, one over there. Got my feather duster. Do the whole area, including the top, you can see it, of the door frames right here. And then I'll take a wet rag with Murphy's oil, and I'll do all of the woodwork. And if I have time, which I'm pretty sure I have, I will do the glass door. a total of 21 minutes. I have this whole glass panel clean, and you can see that. Now the problem with this, I don't know if I can show you. Maybe you can see right here, there's a lot of areas where the previous owner, whoever installed the door, they put shellac on the door and they didn't put any masking tape. So all of the edges of the glass have shellac, and it is what it is. One day maybe I'll get it replaced. It doesn't really bother me. Floor is done. Every wall and wood has been washed. This mirror is done. This glass panel here, same thing, leftover, you know, paint from the purple paint. I am paint the door purple, that was originally here. So there's some purple paint and stuff, and this is just like, it just needs to be cleaned maybe with a blade, I'm not sure. But anyway, this is all done. And then the closet here is done as well, and it's functional, it works for us. Need to insulate it and maybe the bottom of the porch, but you know, if I was to add up all the expenses, I might as well just buy another house. And then all of this here is done. I don't have any cobweb, and the light fixture is dusted as well. So Team Swan, if you like this video, give me a big thumbs up. This was just day 3 in week 1, so we're done with zone 1. You know, back entrance, dining room, front entrance. That's it. It's done. I don't have to revisit it until next month. In the next week, we're moving on to zone 2, which is the kitchen, and we spend the whole week in the kitchen. Now, the video for tomorrow is going to be a weekly home blessing hour, which is just, you know, basic cleaning of the house, vacuum, picking up, changing of the towels, doing the counters real quick, mirrors, quick dusting here and there, picking up things, putting them back where they belong, and mopping. That's it. That's the weekly home blessing hour. So you'll see that tomorrow. And then after that, on Tuesday, we'll start with the kitchen. There won't be much in the kitchen, be honest, because I just did it in January, remember? Okay, so give me a big thumbs up if you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe right here or here in the corner where you see the little bubble. And then Angela, I'm waiting for your videos. She said she was going to post 3 times a week. So I think Tuesday is the first one. But anyone else who wants to do cleaning videos, you don't have to follow the Fly Lady. Insert your videos in the playlist. The link is down below, because I'd love to see how you do your routines. And I will see you next time. Thanks for watching, you guys. Bye.